A donation request letter for medical treatment can be one of the most important letters you ever write because delayed medical care may allow a health condition to worsen, increase treatment costs, or reduce the chances of a full recovery. A well-written donation request letter for medical treatment explains your medical situation honestly, outlines the financial challenges you are facing, and gives potential donors confidence that their contributions will directly support your care. A sincere, transparent request, supported by accurate information, is far more likely to receive compassionate consideration. So, here is how to write it. Sender information. Start by writing your personal contact information at the top of the letter. For example, Sophia Bennett, 314 Cedar Park Drive, Charlotte, North Carolina, 28202, United States, 704-555-2918, sophia.bennett@email.com. This section identifies who is requesting assistance and provides donors with a way to contact you if they have questions or wish to verify your situation. Complete contact information also helps establish credibility and trust. Date. After your contact information, write the date. For example, July 4, 2026. The date shows when your request was prepared and helps recipients understand the urgency of your situation, especially if treatment is scheduled within a specific time frame. Recipient information. Next, write the recipient's information. For example, Mr. Jonathan Hayes, Hayes Community Foundation, 875 Prosperity Avenue, Charlotte, North Carolina, 28203, United States. This section personalizes your request and ensures the letter reaches the intended individual or organization. Addressing the correct recipient demonstrates professionalism and shows that your request has been carefully prepared. Subject line. Now write a clear subject line. For example, subject, request for financial assistance for medical treatment. The subject immediately tells the recipient the purpose of your letter and allows them to understand the nature of your request before reading the details. Salutation. Address the recipient professionally. For example, Dear Mr. Hayes, or Dear Hayes Community Foundation Team. Using a respectful greeting creates a professional and sincere first impression. Opening paragraph. Now explain your medical situation and why you are writing. For example, I hope this letter finds you well. I am writing to respectfully request your financial support as I face a challenging medical situation. I have recently been diagnosed with severe heart valve disease, and my healthcare provider has recommended open heart surgery to improve my health and quality of life. This opening paragraph should briefly introduce your medical condition and explain why financial assistance is needed. The purpose is to help the reader understand your situation immediately while maintaining a respectful and truthful tone. Keeping this introduction clear and sincere encourages the recipient to continue reading with empathy. Financial situation paragraph. Next, explain the financial challenges you are facing. For example, unfortunately, the total cost of my medical treatment, including hospital expenses, medications, follow-up care, and related medical services, exceeds my current financial resources. Despite my efforts to manage these expenses through my personal savings, insurance coverage, and assistance from family and friends, I am still facing a significant financial shortfall. This paragraph explains why outside assistance has become necessary. Be honest about your financial circumstances and explain the efforts you have already made to cover the costs. Demonstrating that you have explored other resources before requesting donations helps show responsibility and strengthens your request. Donation request paragraph. Now respectfully ask for financial support. For example, I am kindly asking for your support through a donation to help cover these medical expenses. Any contribution, regardless of the amount, will make a meaningful difference and help ensure that I can receive the treatment I urgently need. Your generosity will directly assist with hospital bills, surgery costs, medications, rehabilitation, and travel expenses related to my treatment. This paragraph is the heart of your request because it clearly explains how donations will be used. Let potential donors know that every contribution matters and specify the medical expenses their support will help cover. Being transparent about how funds will be used builds confidence and trust. Donation method paragraph. Next, explain how donations can be made. For example, if you wish to support my medical treatment, donations may be made through bank transfer, our online fundraising page, or by check. I am also happy to provide medical records, treatment estimates, physician recommendations, or any supporting documentation upon request to verify my situation. This paragraph provides practical instructions for making a donation and reassures potential donors that supporting documents are available if needed. Offering verification helps demonstrate honesty and allows donors to contribute with greater confidence. Appreciation paragraph. Now express your gratitude. For example, I sincerely appreciate your time, compassion, and consideration of my request. Your kindness and generosity during this difficult time would provide not only financial assistance, but also hope and encouragement as I focus on my recovery. This paragraph allows you to thank the recipient while recognizing that emotional support can be just as meaningful as financial assistance. Expressing genuine appreciation helps create a sincere and respectful connection with the reader. Thank you paragraph. Now conclude your request. For example, thank you for considering my request. I am truly grateful for any support you are able to provide, and I deeply appreciate your willingness to help during this challenging period. This closing paragraph leaves a positive and grateful final impression. Whether or not the recipient is able to donate, expressing appreciation demonstrates respect and professionalism. Sincerely. Now close the letter properly. For example, Sincerely, Sophia Bennett. This is your formal closing and signature identification. A professional closing completes the letter in a respectful and appropriate manner. Send a name. Finally, include your full name. For example, Sophia Bennett. Including your full name below the closing confirms who is making the request and provides a clear identity for anyone reviewing or responding to your letter. Before sending your donation request letter for medical treatment, carefully review every detail to ensure your medical information, financial explanation, and donation request are accurate and truthful. Whenever possible, support your request with medical records, treatment estimates, or other relevant documentation. A strong donation request combines honesty, transparency, gratitude, and clear information that allows potential donors to understand both your situation and the meaningful impact their generosity can make. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Writing Practices for more step-by-step writing guides. See you in the next video.